Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Deel, a platform that helps businesses hire and manage remote workers. I've been using Deel for a while now, and I've had some really positive experiences with it. So, in this video, I'm going to share my thoughts on Deel and whether or not I think it's a good platform for you to use. What is Deel? Before I get into my review, let me give you a quick overview of Deel. Deel is a cloud-based platform that provides a suite of tools and services to help businesses hire and manage remote workers. These tools include payroll. Deel handles all of your payroll processing, including taxes and benefits. Compliance. Deel ensures that you're compliant with all of the relevant labor laws in the countries where your employees are located. Time tracking. Deel tracks your employees' hours worked and generates accurate timesheets. Expense management. Deel helps you track and manage your employees' expenses. Insurance. Deel offers a variety of insurance options for your employees, including health insurance, life insurance, and disability insurance. My experience with Deel. I've been using Deel for about a year now, and I've been very happy with it. The platform is easy to use and very intuitive. I've also found the Deel team to be very helpful and responsive. One of the things I like most about Deel is that it's very comprehensive. It provides a wide range of tools and services that make it easy to manage my remote workers. I also like that Deel is very affordable. The pricing is competitive, and there are no hidden fees. Is Deel a good platform for you? So, is Deel a good platform for you? Well, it depends on your individual needs and budget. If you're looking for a comprehensive and affordable platform to help you hire and manage remote workers, then Deel is definitely worth considering. Here are some of the pros and cons of Deel. Pros. Comprehensive. Deel provides a wide range of tools and services. Affordable. Deel is a very affordable platform. Easy to use. The platform is easy to use and very intuitive. Helpful and responsive support. The Deel team is very helpful and responsive. Cons. Not as many features as some other platforms. Deel doesn't have as many features as some of the other platforms on the market. Can be a bit more expensive than some other platforms. Deel can be a bit more expensive than some of the other platforms on the market, depending on your needs. Overall, I think Deel is a great platform for businesses of all sizes. It's comprehensive, affordable, and easy to use. If you're looking for a platform to help you hire and manage remote workers, I highly recommend giving Deel a try. Additional tips. Before you decide to use Deel, I would recommend doing some research and comparing it to other platforms. You should also make sure that Deel is available in the countries where you want to hire employees. I would also recommend taking advantage of Deel's free trial. This will allow you to test out the platform and see if it's a good fit for you. If you're interested in learning more about Deel, please visit their website or sign up for a free trial. Thank you for watching. With that said, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon.